How to find parent pin settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find parent pin settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click this one, parent controls, and then just go down and here you will find this one, parent pin. If you want to turn it on, just click on it. And anyway, that's how to find parent pin settings on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.